Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, be signed into YouTube, and know your mobile data cap. Once done, open the YouTube app, tap your avatar, and go straight to Settings, right arrow General. Enable the Data Saver toggle to force lower resolution on mobile networks. Make sure background playback and autoplay on mobile are off. They can bypass the saver. These first actions reduce immediate streaming bandwidth so you can apply finer controls next. Now refine how videos consume bytes. Go to playback quality and pick low, or set a default like 480p for mobile. Once set, switch download quality to 360p and restrict downloads to Wi-Fi only so offline caching doesn't eat your plan. Make sure autoplay next video is off. Continuous play multiplies usage quickly. Also revoke background data access for YouTube in your device settings to prevent unseen syncing. Finish by establishing monitoring. Enable your phone's data alerts at about 80% of your plan and check YouTube's mobile data meter after a short test stream. Once done, observe real-world savings and adjust quality up or down as needed. If you still see high usage, clear the app cache, confirm data saver, and Wi-Fi only download are set, then restart the app. That troubleshooting step resolves most sync or profile glitches quickly so your saver behaves as intended.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.